All right, what's going on, guys? It's Friday, the 20th of March, 2020, and I just want to go over what has happened in the past few days and what we're looking at going forward. So, currently, the market's about 6 minutes away from closing, and what I've noticed is that we have crossed over and had this death cross right around here, which is the 50-day crossing over below the 200-day moving average. And what that means is you're looking at a bear market and you are looking at more downward pressure. So just keep this in mind, okay? When you're trading, when you're looking for long opportunities, this is where we're at right now, okay? Whatever happened in the last few days regarding the whole virus situation, just be careful. Now that we have this crossing over and the 50-day is crossing below, look at the market, 800 points down right now on Friday. Even though we had these little short rallies, that doesn't mean anything, okay? Just be careful. I want you to understand what's going on and just do your due diligence when it comes to trading. All right. Make sure you are careful on all your longs. They may be short-term lived. Let's take a look at on your ES. Boom, right here. See this? This yellow lag is the 200. This is the 50-day. It's crossing right below this now. What does that mean? Bear market. I mean, you're just looking at more downward pressure. Just got to be careful what you're doing. Look at your NQs. This is the NASDAQ. It's about to cross below on the NASDAQ. It hasn't crossed yet. But look at the downward pressure that it's leaning towards. All right, so be careful. Watch what's going on. If you're a short-term intraday trader, like I am, I tend to, take these little longs right here. Shorts, grab this. Longs right here. If there's nothing here, grab these, and call it a day. Okay. But if you're a swing trader and looking for long-term opportunities, look at the broader picture, maybe on a higher time frame. You might want to look at dailies. Look at this over here, the daily range. You see how it just splatted us right here? You need to be careful of that, all right? And when it comes to bear markets, a lot of people have not, all the new traders that are in the market right now, they've never seen a bear market. Right? The last 10 years, or maybe even slightly more, people have not seen what a bear market looks like. Okay, so just be ready to be prepared for that. Okay, don't just jump to conclusion. This may be short-term based on whatever the news comes out in regards to the coronavirus, and if that continues, the recession we're already in a recession. If numbers are not out there yet, but just prepare for that. All right. Long-term traders, beware. Short-term traders, I probably wouldn't even have to tell you that because you're in and out. You know the overall general direction of the market. So if you're looking at short opportunities, take them when you see them. Be well prepared and trade them well. If you have any questions on any of this, please reach out to me on my Discord chat, my email. You can reach out to me on Facebook group. Join our Facebook group. Join the Discord chat and let me know if you have any questions. Watch these videos. If there's something that you don't understand, that you'd like more understanding on, please reach out to me. and ask any questions that you may have. Don't forget, Sunday night, futures open. Monday morning, we'll see what's going to happen. Don't hold or anything over the weekend. I wouldn't suggest it if you're an intraday trader. Just be careful. All right. Trade them well, guys. See you next week.